Feel nervous every time you try to hit record? Let's fix that in 2 minutes with the help of free ChatGPT. I'm on ChatGPT right now and I will type this in. Write me a short 30-second video script I can use to introduce myself and share one tip with my audience. Make it friendly and simple. Then hit enter. And now I've got a quick, easy script I can read straight from my screen. You don't need to memorize anything or come up with ideas on the spot. Just read it once into your camera and you're done. This trick takes the pressure off so you can build confidence while showing up. If you want to go deeper, the Confidence Challenge shows you how to build confidence and unlock free social media strategies that attract your ideal audience. So you grow your business while feeling natural on camera. You'll find the link right below this video. Try the ChatGPT script trick first, but if you're ready to feel confident every time you press record, the challenge is where to start.